Come. You're the host. Today is your day. Go. Father.
Ella is going.
Gandhiji, we are a delegation from different organizations.
Come, sir. You don't need any introduction. Please come.
He's come walking all the way.
Sir, good evening.
Father, this is Ella Mascarenhas. She is the woman's head of Goencha Airport. And father ha, and amcho Gandhiji, and I have come from Goencha Awas. And I, first of all, let us thank you for giving us the time. Because to buy property. And what we believe, you are much more informed that whatever destruction is happening in Goa, so we are appealing to you with the wishes and the aspiration of the people that I the memorandum that you will become the voice of Goa in the assembly with the government, you are with the ruling dispensation, because ये double tracking जे चालू हाँ, the expansion of national highway and the transmission line, we know everything is going to destroy Goa. If today Goa is getting 1000 megawatts of power and we are using only 650 megawatts of power, we don't need extra transmission line, which the power minister also agreed. It is going to all the industries based in Karnataka. We have found all the documents through RTI. And 136 million tons per annum I think so the only surviving industry, tourism, they collapse. Lakhs directly or indirectly, garib log, including taxi drivers and hoteliers, sheikhs, dependent. So with that, we request you that you will take up this cause on our behalf, and especially because you know how many deaths have taken place in Vasco, and we hope you will do justice not only for people of Vasco but whole of Goa, and we sincerely hope so.
See, I have also made statement, openly made statement that Mr. Parikar was there to see him. There was a meeting of secretary. That time some options have come. The secretary Ananda was there. That time I asked them who the double take benefit whom. They no reply. Again I put option letter also. I put a mail to CM asking for clarification. The double track is for whom? Double track, how many trains will come? I have asked. I'm not opposing double track at all. See, you have got your own reasons. I got my own reasons. I'm asking justification. Double track is for whom? How many trains will come? Who will benefit from it? Answer me that first. Then I'll take a call publicly. I heard your interview last time. I heard everything. I'm there with the people. But I told you openly now what I have. Anything else you have to say?
Yeah. We have the Konkan railway for the other passenger line. So for what is this railway?
See, if you ask me, I can argue on that. See, Konkan railway is not catering to trains that come from Mangalore. I got a lot of people who ask from Kerala. They got no connection.
That goes once a week, I think.
No. I asked for railway. They say there's no track.
Yeah, sir, the same question that you have asked, it is our question also. Whom is it going to benefit? And kona pasot kottai to me. Even when we had a webinar with the environment minister, and of course, same like you said, we also got no answer, and till now there are no answer. So, तुझे बराबर आम्ही हा आमच्या बराबर तू हा, because we are on the same line. Like जरी तो double tracking जाता also याला कोणा पासत. Same question we are still asking, we are not getting answer, and that's why we feel that it is not for us आमच्या गोंयकारांच्या पासत.
But one thing, please understand me, I'm not opposing double tracking.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm saying, but give me justification, the whole benefit of it.
I will tell.
Then I'll take on.
No, you said it is for the people now.
See, you're not the railway should answer me.
No.
No, I'm just telling you,
Yeah.
I want the authority to answer me, railway to answer me. See, you and somebody else can answer me.
Yeah, of course. So we are asking the same question.
I'm asking
And
them, I
yes.
just in the mail that
So
I
ताका
sent.
लागून आयज आमी
पण
आमची
ते काम
धाकटीशी
करीत
भेट.
आसता न्ही थिंगा.
आणि plus over 200 houses who are your voters, houses are going to get demolished. And they told us when we met them की ना आमच्या MLA ने आमकां 2 वर्सां पयलीं assurance दिला की 1.5 मीटर त्या सायडीक shift जातलो. And we didn't want to tell them, but our studies have shown those all houses are going to get demolished. The same thing, what rule is being applied at Uttawarda, Kansauli, Majorda area is going to be applied here. And we found the plans also. We only are looking at what is there existing in their plans, and that is what is going to happen.
Is a councillor of your.
I know. We have worked together.
Yeah, we have written to the Honorable Chief Minister on the 13th of August 2020 with respect to doubling of railway tracks by Southwestern Railways. And a few points, 5 points that we have asked for clarification from them. That is, details of landowners whose land will be acquired for doubling of the tracks. Whether the landowners have been approached or informed, and how will they be compensated. Whether the government of Goa or the Southwestern Railways intend to compensate the affected people. If yes, how? Details of number of people who will be affected by doubling of railway tracks in Vasco constituency. Why does the Southwestern Railway intend to carry out doubling of the track? Whether the SWR intends to introduce new passenger train, good trains, details, if any. So these are the questions we have raised with them. Apart from this, we have also written another letter before this also, asking for the beneficiaries, I mean, who will benefit from the double tracking. One that we have already asked, and we have raised the issue with the then Chief Minister also.
In fact, as you reminded the late Chief Minister, after initial he said, and then he said, I will not allow the coal to come. Today people are saying, yes, if he was there, it wouldn't have come. That was his, after becoming the Chief Minister second time, he made that statement. I will not allow coal to come.
It was when we stopped the tour.
Yes.
Number 9 and 10.
Yes.
Separation stop.
So today, probably, and that compensation, we are not looking at compensation, we are looking at the saving of vote.
No, I am talking about my voters. See, now you said your houses are going. I am also thinking of my people. See, I am thinking of my voters.
No, we request you to think of vote.
I am there.
आम्ही पॉलिटिशियननी आमच्याकडे जमीन पसंत घडना. But if we are thinking of Goa, you have the mandate, and that too, it is a historic town, Vasco. And when you say something, it carries weight.
Yes.
It carries weight. The MLA of Vasco is one of the most powerful. I'm sorry to say I'm not doing politics, but it is not the MLA of Mormuga. MLA of Vasco should have been there in the cabinet as per the norms. But we don't want to touch that. That's a different thing. But you are a powerful, this is the only powerful council, which can make or break Goa. And we know that it is working under your control.
You are our voice and representative.
If we can keep this,
Yeah,
if we
for
can
you.
keep this, yeah.
That is the one that we have inverted.
Okay. But we expect, and we are very hopeful that you can take up, because it is not that you are just the second time MLA. You are one of the senior most councillors of Vasco, senior most for last so many decades, and you know Vasco like the back of your palm. And when you say something, they have to listen. We have no hope for others, but yes, when the MLA of Moscow stands up and says, I'll tell it, because this is a fight for Goa.
See, Father, you have come. I will put forward.
Yes,
What you
yes.
have come.
Yeah.
What you have said to CM.
Yes.
And next week I'll put it to him that you have come to meet me. I'll give you a present and tell him.
Yes.
Yeah, I will express myself. See, but I told you my opinion, frankly. See, I don't play double role. Whether you say, don't गाडी मला कथा जेले कथा I'll face it.
सर तूं आमचो आमी तुमचे गाडयो मारपाचे हिंगा कांय ना आनी आयची खेरीत भाशेन आमी शांती पदयात्रा हाडल्यार तेच पासत नो प्रोटेस्ट नथींग पूण आमचे काळजान जें कितें आमकां आयकपाक जाय सरकारान आनी आमकां उलोवपाचो चान्स ऑफिशियली आजून पासून दिवंक ना सो ह्या पासत आनी भोव करून आतां जेन्ना पॅन्डेमीक चालू आसलें तेन्ना ह्यो सगल्यो वस्तू घडल्या इट्स बिहायंड आवर बॅक आनी तें आमकां दुखता की आमचो सरकार आमचे फाटल्यान आनीक कोणा पासत काम करता तें दुखता आमकां आनी ह्या पासत दीस मेमोरंडम आनी शांतीन आनी कांय ना तूं आमचो आमी तुजे वी लव यू.
This is from Rohit Sharma.
You'll come in the picture also.
Yes, of course,
Witness. Yeah.
Yes. आमगे मनीस ना.
Other one?
This is from Chikali Youth Farmers Club.
You are doing good job for this. I got some good plans.
Yes.
I still feel that.
Yes, we would like to work with you, sir.
No, what happened? You know the island.
Yeah.
That island. There are a lot of this there. Corals.
Yeah.
That get damaged.
Yes.
I want to save the corals.
Yes, sir. We are with you.
This is from Rohit Sharma.